Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate email list segmentation with ConvertKit step by step clearly. To automate email list segmentation with ConvertKit, begin by logging into your ConvertKit account. Once logged in, navigate to the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Click on the New Automation button to create a new workflow. Select Start from Scratch to build a custom automation. Next, choose a trigger for your automation. Click Add Event to include this trigger in your automation. Now it's time to add conditions for your segmentation. Click on the plus sign to add a new step, and select Add Condition. Choose the criteria that will define your segments, such as tags or custom. You can set up multiple conditions to refine your segmentation. Next, create separate paths based on the conditions you defined. For each path, click on Add Action to take specific actions for that segment. Common actions include sending tailored emails or adding further tags. After configuring your actions, ensure to map out the entire automation flow. Test your automation to make sure everything works as intended. You can do this by going back to your automations dashboard and selecting Test Automation. Once testing is complete and all is functioning correctly, activate your automation. Now, your email list segmentation is automated and will function seamlessly. Monitor the results periodically to adjust your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.